Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be potting on CATANANCHE. It's a hardy perennial that I've never grown before, but they're doing really well. So let's pot them on before they go outside. These are the ones, as you can see, that they've really grown really well. Really pleased with the root system on them. As you can see, look at that. Perfect little plant. So first of all, get your pot, whatever you're going to use. These are 9cm pots. Fill with a good multi-purpose compost. This one's got a high percentage of peat in it. Give it a good tap down and get your plant. Try not to disturb the roots too much. Place it in the centre like so. Bit of compost around it. Give it a tap down, and then a little bit of water from the top, like so. And then all you need to do is water from the bottom, then place them in a sink like so. So that's, I'll just do another one, show you how easy it is. These are a really nice plant. I've got these, it's supposed to be really good for butterflies and insects. So fill your pot, get your plant. As you can see, the roots there, it's a really good example. You see them? Yeah. Get your pot, make sure it's deep enough to take the roots. Place it like so. Fill in with some compost around it. Make sure you don't damage the roots, the leaves. That's the last thing you want to do, because that supplies the energy for the plant. Give it a tap down, water, and then you want to, I'm going to put it in an unheated greenhouse until the first sign of frost has gone, and then I can plant them out. So that's CATANANCHE, how to plant. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you, bye.